Hi everybody, it's Ashley from Posh Crochet Patterns, and in today's video I want to talk about this beautiful plush heart that I just made. I want to make this as an upcoming tutorial, a full tutorial from start to finish for the whole thing. I absolutely am in love with this. This is so beautiful and it's so plushy. Like, you all have got to see this. Like, look how beautiful. These are granny stitches. I love it. I absolutely love it. I cannot wait to make the tutorial. So, let's see. We are using Chenille Home Grand. It is a jumbo 7 yarn. See if you all can see that well. It's a jumbo 7 yarn. I'm not using the hook that's recommended. If you use the hook that's recommended for this, then it probably will be a little bit bigger. But I am using a Boy brand Q17 15.75 millimeter hook. It's a plastic hook. I like it a lot. I got this at Walmart. And this beautiful chenille yarn I got at Michael's on sale. And to make this, you'll need just a little over half the ball. So you'll definitely have some left over. So in order to make this, you will need the big jumbo plush yarn and your hook. And first we will make a slip knot. And I'm not making this tutorial today, but very, very soon. And also the cat ear hat, that will be out in a few days. And that'll be a full tutorial on all sizes, for children's sizes, teen/adult small, adult medium, and adult large. But I just want to let you know that this is double crochet stitches for the granny sets. So we're going to practice that today. So we need to make our slip knot. And this yarn is a little bit different to work with than regular yarn. So we will make our chains. We will yarn over for a double crochet in the first chain. And that is how we will do this. We will be making our granny sets. We will also be using single crochets as well. So I would definitely practice this. It is a little bit different crocheting with such a big yarn and such a big hook, but that is exactly what we will be doing if you want to practice that. And the tutorial will be out very, very soon. Thank you all. Y'all have a good night.